All right, for your next vacation, this is a must. Now, if you're going to Bahamas or you're going to any kind of Hawaii or any resort that requires wire, or if you have a pool and you want to take underwater pictures and video, this is a must. Now, this is actually filled with liquid in here. It's a gel, so you can actually make movements and touch your actual phone physically, so you could even start the camera itself within underwater. Now, the best thing I like about it, look at the big front area where you actually set up the phone. The camera's going here. It's not gonna interfere with anything. They come with wipes too, so you could clean the inside and outside. A handle, so you will actually put this on your hand so you won't lose it underwater. If you're swimming, amusement parks or anything like that, this is perfect. Now, it does have a handle so you can take pictures and videos while you're using this, so you don't have to damage your phone. The best thing I like about it, if you guys notice, they actually have a place you can actually put it on a stand too. So, or you could add attachments to it if you want. Now, easy to hold and take pictures. And of course, I have an aquarium here. We're going to test this, see how well it works. So I do have a large phone, a Galaxy 23 Ultra. It's the largest phone there's out there. So we're going to see how well it fits in here and how well I can control it here. So let's go ahead and do that. You have to unlock it. There's a lock and unlock feature. So once you unlock it, you're able to get this out open, and then there's a little paper, right? It's a template. It shows you a little template. Remove that. That's a must, all right? There's a little tray with it too, if you guys can see that. So it goes out. On the tray itself, there's suction cups to keep the actual phone from moving when it's underwater or you're moving in a different environment. There's suction, really good suction cups. Now beware, some phones that have cases like this one might not work properly, so you might have to take it out of the case in order to make this work. Now, the whole thing itself, make sure your camera is not being obstructed by anything. Just make sure that it's clear when you're actually putting this underwater. So let's put it together. Now, like I mentioned before, I had to take it out of my case. It fits perfect. Make sure the suction cups are there. Make sure it doesn't fall. Test it out, and it's a perfect fit. And this is a Ultra 23, a large phone from Galaxy Samsung. So if it works on this one, it works on any phone. Once you get that system going, make sure that the camera is facing out. All right, slide it back in. Once you slide it back in, close it and lock it in place. And look at this. We got access to our phone from here. I'm able to actually open my phone. All right, we got our phone here. So I'm just gonna put the camera. You guys can see the camera goes on there. Look how great it looks with the actual camera. I'm able to see all that stuff. So let's put it in the water. See how we can see, if we can really see. All right, let's go ahead and start filming now. I'm gonna film now. Put it in the water completely, or we're just gonna go underwater with it. If you guys can see that. Underwater completely. I'm in here filming. Look at this wonderful fishes right here. Look at that shrimp. Big giant shrimp right there. That's a giant shrimp right there, I see. Look at that. We got a lot of shrimps in here too, that's why. You could do documentaries with this thing. Really handy. Really good. I like it. Very simple to use. Let's take it out and see what we see. Look at that. It's crazy. I'm just gonna let it dry in here and see what we can do with it. But it's completely clean, dry. My phone's in there intact. I'm filming still. Let me stop it. When you stop it, you just hit the stop button. Look at that. Because I'm able to touch this stuff, it's able to remove it. Very simple. Easy to use, simple. Take it out with you next event you go to that has water, any kind of, and this will protect from not just water, from anything else too. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.